If you're looking for dog treats by Pet and Shape, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular dog treats by Pet and Shape. Number 1, most popular, by Pet and Shape. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Pet and Shape. Number 3. For more details about these dog treats products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Pet and Shape. Find these dog treats by Pet and Shape at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dog treats by Pet and Shape ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.